Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to bleach knots on your wig. Today I will be using the Clairol BW2 powder, the Clairol Pure White, and the 40 Developer, and then I will also be using a bowl and a brush. This is a 28-inch wig. I got this wig off of Amazon, you guys. I can post the link down below in the description. Please excuse my voice. I'm like kind of hoarse, so I'll probably be going in and out voice-wise. But I got this wig off of Amazon. It was a little bit over $200. And the lace is a 13x6 lace wig. It also is supposed to be like a SKINLIKE HD type of lace. So I really didn't have to do much to it, but I still wanted to go in and bleach the knots on it to give it a more natural look. I'm going to go in and speed up this process because I was pretty much examining the wig to make sure that everything looked okay on it. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys the lace, the length of it, and how long and silky and soft it was. Even after washing it out, it still was soft and silky. If you guys are liking this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notification bell. Please click that subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Please share this video as well. If you guys want to see more content like this, please comment down below in the comment section. And I will try my best to make videos like this. It's not very often that I do videos like this, but please comment down below on videos that you would like to see. So I finally got to the point and flipped the wig over so that I can see exactly where I'm going to be bleaching the knots on. And no, I won't be bleaching it just like that. I'm going to use my mannequin head, but I'm just pretty much checking the lace out still after flipping it inside out to see exactly. But to be honest, y'all, I was really thinking like, dang, should I bleach the knots on this lace, because it already looked good. Like it looked like it didn't need to be bleached at all. But if you want that tint color look going on, then I recommend that you bleach the wig. And right here I'm just showing you guys the products again: the Clairol, the Pure White, 40 Developer, the BW2 powder, Clairol Professional, a bowl, and a brush. To me, the BW2 powder and the 40 Developer is like beginners friendly products that you can use. They have more advanced products like this out there, but if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing, I recommend you use this. Not saying that I don't know what I'm doing, but I like using this. I've been using this for years. Other people use other items that's like more advanced. I also can use more advanced, but I recommend this for beginners. A quick little side note, make sure you guys wear gloves. No, I did not wear gloves in this video, but I normally wear gloves. Make sure you wear gloves before you open up the product and start mixing. Right here, I'm pretty much taking the 40 Developer and I'm equaling it out with the powder, BW2 powder, the same measurements. You want to equal it out so you can have a better consistency. I like to equal it out first, and then I will go in and add a little bit more powder to it so that it won't have that watery look to it. You want it to be very thick and very tacky like. You don't want it to run. So yeah, I like to do it like that, because if you let it run, it will run through and bleed onto the hair, and you don't want that to happen. So pretty much you just equal it out, but not equal it out at the same time. And I'll show you guys exactly towards the end of mixing this exactly what I mean by tacky like. So right here I'm just showing you that I cleaned out the measuring cup because I'm going to dip it inside of the BW2 powder again, and I didn't want it to have the 40 developer on there, so I pretty much just rinsed it out and added the powder to it. To give it that tacky look, I just kept adding more powder to it. And like I said, you'll see exactly what I mean. I'm just going to keep adding powder to it until I feel like the formula that I'm trying to get comes out very thick and not runny at all. And this is the look that I was going for. It's no longer runny. It's very thick and tacky. And it's going to be easy to apply it onto the lace of the wig. Now I have placed my wig onto my mannequin head. I placed it on backwards just so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I placed it backwards onto the wig. And for me, I like to start towards the back only because the front will bleach faster than the back. So I always like to start from like the crown part of the lace and work my way towards the front and also do the sides. Right here, I'm just showing you a better view of the lace and how it looks. It looks very sheer, very skin-like if you flip the wig over and part it. And you can barely see the knots on it. Out of all of the wigs that I've had in the past, I feel like this wig was more easy to bleach versus the other ones, only because the lace is supposed to be skin-like. That's the only reason why. And then it's also thin, meaning that it's ultra thin, very sheer, very see-through. So right here, I'm just holding the wig on the mannequin head. You don't have to do that. You can buy you like some pins, like the staple pins, or like maybe some regular pins just to hold the wig in place. But me, I like better control, so I like to hold my wig in place myself and apply the product onto the lace. And as you can see, it's not bleeding through. It's very light. All you have to do is do light strokes, not too hard, and it won't bleed through. And as you guys can see, the wig was already turning. I let it sit for at least 30 minutes. And this is why I say you always start from the back of the lace and work your way to the front. Only because the hairline will turn faster than the rest. And you don't want to leave it on longer than what it's supposed to be. So I recommend that you just start from the back first and then work your way to the front. Right here, it shows that the lace has turned completely, and this is pretty much 25 minutes in, so I'm going to leave it on for at least 5 more minutes before I rinse it out, and I will show you guys the final results. This is after the 5 minutes. This is the final results after me bleaching the wig. Again, I used the 40 developer and the BW2 powder. Once you install this wig and you put that cap underneath, it's going to look like it's growing out your scalp. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you'll know when I post a video. Also, share this video, share, and leave a comment down below on videos that you recommend that I should do or videos that you would like me to do, and I'll try my best to get them out to you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.